Behold, this is the elevator at the Whispering Sands condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator with GAL on it, similar to the others. Here it comes. Go for 4, 3. Here you go. Lantern's completely useless. Anyway, for looks like a G. Lantern is completely useless. Useless lantern. Now we got a cab. I like this cab. It's like little compact as always. Just gonna get right there. Commercial top in the capacity for 100 pounds. 2. 1. And that's watch news. Stupid old man. Think he never let me film an elevator. Ha. Oh well, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.